My name is Jessica Basham, and I'm a registered nurse on the bone marrow transplant unit at UK Healthcare. My grandmother, she was diagnosed with lung cancer when I was in kindergarten. I remember making the statement to my mother that I wanted to find the cure for cancer, that was my goal. I wanted to be the person who found that. And so while I have not hit that lofty goal, I do see that working at Markey Cancer Center, we are working every day to find that cure for cancer. Originally, I applied to the University of Kentucky and was accepted as a psychology major. I wanted to be more hands-on than a counselor could be. I wanted to get to touch my patients and really affect them. I realized that that's what a nurse does. One of the most essential values that we have here is teamwork. Without your coworkers, you are alone, and you can't be alone in this profession. You have to work together. What's really kept me here has been a patient population that has never failed to show me how blessed I am, and then also an administration that has always not only listened to my ideas, but found ways to support them and implement them when possible. And then also a wonderful staff that always has my back, whether it's a code blue or a code brown. I think this organization is really committed to excellence. They also are very supportive of people advancing in their career, going back to school. They want to support you. Your managers will work with your schedule. Our employee benefits are wonderful. And I think that there's a lot of things that support that work-life culture if you need it.